Mellow. Got a little more work done on Marduk. I didn't fix the bolt issue yet with the internal linear actuator, but I did get both shins riveted up and attached. So instead of just being held together with Gorilla Tape, it's being held together with some nice rivets. So it's sturdy and won't fall apart in wet weather. Got some nice reflectors on there. Makes it look a little more, roadworthy. And I had to take off some of the dust covering because a big deposit of ice collected in it. Well, it was water, then it froze. So, but hopefully with these panels, they also act as more than just aesthetics because it helps keep water off the steering mechanism down here, which I still have to get around to putting another idler caster right in front. That way the sort of extended sway bars and knuckles don't start to droop down under all the weight, because Marduk is not all that heavy, but still the weight is substantial relative to the, structure. Looks a little rough up top. I had just did some goofing around, in the cockpit, and I just threw the door back on. I'm going to be connecting it at some point, and I'm doing a revision to the optical system, the camera screen and stuff. So it will be slightly different, a little more easy to install, but I do have to, fix these hip pieces a slight bit because they aren't really staying on. But that should be pretty easy. Maybe just a little bit of Gorilla Tape or whatever. But, that's all for today. Got a bit more snow, and there's actually some ice hiding underneath it, so if I do any test driving, I'm going to need to, put some sand down or something and salt. But, right. I'm also going to be taking out this stasis dock. Eventually, I don't know if it will be anytime this week or whatever, but I'm going to see if it's actually tall enough to be used for theoretically lifting the torso onto the hips. And if it's not tall enough, which I suspect it is because it's maybe has a 12-foot height at most, and Marduk is about 11'6". I'm going to need to replace these pieces of wood with something a little taller. And maybe eventually I'd like to put on some ladder rungs on it and a little more stability, because the stasis dock can get blown over by a wind. So I'll get a little more lumber for that. But that is going to be done after, all my planned shenanigans with Marduk itself. But that will be all for today, so be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.